Happy Eid Mubarak and command Cramofo more we are seeing now. And I Cramofo that strong council. Oasis TV, about welcome and say, Yet in summer a coach a cobra mine and then come for the high holiday day. The Vina Tuja Ama Afroina the air costo, and we are say after 1990 and send a good year Musem, a womb, Amanone, and some womb. Sansona social issue, political issue, kakra and so entertainment issue and so enti e ba ababetu jana yede semina atwaso abremo sonko kwanso ene media metso ne Alhaji Abdul Tofik minimia bema
Alhaji Wasiu Umar
ena edi jumadi ebreo entete so ne beko akohya jumaku a oso ya sene meri jumadi ebreo Oasis photography eka ho na edi jumadi ebreo o waso ya sene ene sonko kwanso edi jumadi ebreo sara sona Timake Eba Center and so as you are saying, Jumadi Ebro. And ten Sora no aneba Yambra Wafana and fire coat of the day no Emma to Jana Yenisasi Kaka na Yantua Jumadi so.
Yes, sir, I have for your tear for you now in crime and then a crime shy they might have for your tear for you now or say the one who plants trees knowing that he will never sit in their shades has at least started to understand the meaning of life.
There, a person nyina say obi a odua dua ma afra betena se no na ono ontra dua na ase nti ohwe de atwa gua se ulman bi a odua dua na ulman nya de adua be nyina beto no ama na tena se enso still odua dua no saa nipa bi saa na ti abrabo ase because o say de wo nyina duru no odua dua na nya de betena se but ahofro betena se nti o ya saa ena ti so ti abrabo ase nti de akanya se kakra be hye obotom na wo tena onsa ma no so ahofro so a ena ti se wati abrabo ase nya se kakra be hye obotom na wo de ahye obotom no wa mi aso na no na just say yes bibi wo ho and I just say there be what abrabase na person what abrabase pa dia tenonsa ma afro mu say yes kakra wanya no so what abrabase oneba yenko tatam so na yekohwe nsama ene nsa kan ebedi hu komo kakra ewo ha
eya holiday edition de na nsama ide bra ye for tie for nyina no eye bibia ewu bi me kire eye sports room eye social issues ene kakra nema wo aka ni na bi wo ma ide ebra tie for na for nyina ene anwumre ya amaje nkunya mo de hwe ene anwumre na mo ye sha ase ana eye koto de na e ba ye no o se wo sha ase na wo de maximum before na ye hu se eye wache amana so amanfo so ase ho na ye hu se wate ababo na ase eti ne sente na eye Ghana mampanyi a watwam kro eye His Excellency John Dramani Mahama the Facebook poster or the Ewoshi Yemiano Muslimi for Happy Eid Mubarak or the Atuja say Yemiano Kramufo no esase wodi e na woda intino or show on cry say one wanya bi ama wanya bi ewa na broso na say wanya bi a wode ehwe rebusia no one chair ema bu so one a woni bi no so they should be giving back to the society and no any nsema Ghana mampanyi da wotwam kro e de etu Yemiano Muslimi for nya ene anwi
ba Ghana mampanyi a wotwam kro de sansemi tudwa na ese fata se ode tudwa ne kwan so aro no yewura JD ambabi a wo bia yetwa puse ne nsempa waka che Yemiano Muslimi se de wiase abrabote ne sa na tie se obi kakra be hye onsema na watene onsa amana so afro so ene kramofo de binim se ya de a wo ye da bia wo kuso na wo ye empu enye wonda mpu na wodi a wo kuso na wo ye enti ene se yewura John Dramani Mahama aka ahye omo kana se omo nto aso na omo ni sa adwuma ya na atin se ne kwan so aro no ohene ba ye nto aso
Osofopani Prophet Badukobi nso de atuja say the internet commissioner or shefa Euros no Copa America one of virgin no amamu no ene say a sign bet how do am for a bet football ntino enti ena sa ne commissioner amamu
oheba asem we de me ti ase ana enyi Sofo Badukobi e she kotoko ne house of folk.com onim better amanfo twai adintin yankon amasa match ne de ambam mesremo there are a lot of asofo ewo man mu ha mo di football achi bebri Sofo Badukobi be seremo de be se on say yesro nyamejuma na we football you can know the score line but so big na social media amamanfo nyina hwe na amam die Timacho kakra enti next time mesre no enye better day you can't take it away from football boys and their boys did no and I then they bet their games enti sa some work kan dey na adwuma na asem kakra so ba Badukobi mesre on pipi na ji no samra na nimbi
minia kwamtumasi ana seminia Alhaji Tofik ya transfer so na wonim say wodi wani echere Ghana ha na ye be ma ya hefo na tiefo nyina ahunu top 10 transfer of Ghanaian players in Europe. It has a European class in the last 10 decades. The Chile Fiatu Akamuni, ye ma ya hwefo na tiefo nyina ahu eye Ghanaian players me che Ghana players ahodo a won bo aye den ewo eye adwaman so na ye hye ase na ye de ani e kire eye Arsenal Football Club na so ye Ghana ni abrantia osina kan edema Arsenal eye abrante Thomas Partey ono na oye Ghanaian player na se ne bo aye den ewo dwa so a se me wo pe eye sika anase sika eye Arsenal for the kofa no e free eye Atletico Madrid ne ba eye Arsenal eye 50 million euros eno ene sika eye abrante e kofa no e ba eye player otoso mienu eye yankasa Ghana sahene eye abrante Andre Ayew enu nia bema eye Jordan Ayew e ba ko esi akan edema Crystal Palace na ba ko esi akan edema Swansea City Bobo Kono Andre Ayew ne bo a osombo eye 24.10 million euros sana ni nia bema ba ko so ewo Swansea City so ne de 22.80 million euros we ene we won bo a wo dwama sisi a wo pe won a esan bo a eda won so ntino e ba won bo aye den wo pe won akọ ti mu a ne otoso na Abdul Baba Rahman Chelsea left full back no ono na ne bo edin e wo dwama so mfiedu a wo twam koi last 10 decades na last decade no abrante Abdul Baba Rahman na ne bo edin ne bo 20 million euros ufura na wo Ghana ni abrante Dada Kwajo Asamoah ono so ne bo a oson 18 million euros sana abrante Alfred Duncan so 50 million euros abrante otoson so abrante Kalam Dean Sulemana ono so 15 million euros sana le otoson mo twere abrante Jeffrey Shop abusina ka Edema Crystal Palace boboko no Ghana ni ne de 13.80 million euros abrante Jordan Ayew so de 12 million euros sana abrante Mohamed Salisu so ne de 12 million euros na minia Tofik we any Ghana players a hodo ma fama kudu a won bo edin e wo mfiedu a e wo misisi yi
minia oka nipa a wode we betu dwa me hwe se ne kwan so ano because we the lives of Thomas Partey hwe fi a Arsenal kotua de free Arsenal free Atletico Madrid e de ne bepiem o Arsenal ebu na Atletico Madrid nya na je so be release Abrante no ba ko trigger across no to Abrante de ne ba hwe na hwe no hwe ni age and ne formation na ne rule obo in the defensive midfield setup now the OC quite move on the punches that means even though Arsenal the first season very good season but or still a lot of age ahead I'll bet me I prepare ye into Abrante no e deserve now the toss to me Abrante Andre Ayew now no deserve season the number of goals any assists or and I'm Ghana the GFA awards no imagine the best player of the season that's just Abrante e deserve the toss me and say Abrante one Jordan Ayew and I want to Jordan Ayew the star of goals I watch Crystal Palace starting of the season now on the sign of Abrante General to Tramon with the last of reference mo partnership no na so later part of the season I say problem kakraba Benteke binya kwan ba mu ba hwe Abrante a wetin bench Abrante for Benteke the last of the big team abo no wetin bench no pa body I say Abrante Jordan Ayew obo no mo de we blaster yen striker olidi edema na say Abrante na ebo no mo de the otoso me nsa wan Abrante your friend Abdul Baba Rahman e to so dia na say Baba Rahman very young child from Kumasi and Toko moving to country friend Germany, Okosha, Chelsea, Bissano. Is that about Chelsea? You have very good side. They be a colon dear, but Oka, Branton, or Bonham, the young mass, which is a Branton to deserve say, or Ba, Numna, the Otoso, Abrante, friend, or Mina, Abrante Benetosu.
Abrante authorities here Yankasa Ghana ni Abrante Kwajo Asamoah.
That Kwajo Asamoah. We hear that Kwajo Asamoah from Edinisi Obamu PM Juventus. Boy ya sign call back to Inter Milan. Abrante Guzo Oboni say we free Inter Milan. Abrante is Oboni Juma. Well, that Kwajo Asamoah. He was a very fantastic player. Abrante we dey make say Nema bebre na anko so man hwe number 10 row pa Ghana ha na Abrante was superb. Oba benje number 10 jesi. Nema hwe no jesi ni to number 10 row as a time and as a muja there was no number 10 and Abrante can go to 2010 pass or the man Abrante baby just as muja man share the host nation Angola the only go Angola for anti Abrante no jana so we go no bo no ranger no bon pass no bo nya Abrante no jana so enti deserve so ba the first 10 or heneba
now we deserve say about the first 10 to one hour so Alfred Duncan Kalam Dean Suleiman Jeffrey Shaw and Abrante Mohamed Salisu Mina ya transfer na FIFA president and I say FIFA so e dey nsembia to bia say 90 minutes I can say yes no I say what dey buy AC Mariasa Simadu si na ya born 30 minutes una o ya bi
Mina hwe the market a ekoso e football mu sesia na FIFA for Bejina be can Samuel. Obetimi 200 million pounds a week. 250, 300, 350. Football has been a market. Omojuma mo ye no. So mo bre. Yeah, supporters no cry nya more time crack ho. Also better so. I think say we the FIFA international go review mra no.
One chance now
review mra because Sky Juma na ye no ha because obi ko boka enko to abrante man we more 30 minutes in a week. 30 minutes now meje Sky buchu enwunu botum. Enti international no ko hwe mra ni ye bi.
FIFA international wo hwe mra no ye na eye Simadu sia de enya de a be boa ye na ye hwe football me che football loving fan no enya de Simadu sia be boa ye. Me the for you be betre eye Barcelona aye signings this season. Na mo signing na say me sign why this season no Abrante Sergio Aguero Abrante Eric Garcia Abrante Memphis Kwabena say Memphis Depay na osinaka Edema Lyon Eric Garcia na onso osinaka Edema Manchester City sa na Aguero so osinaka Edema Manchester City me make revelation dia tro say Abrante ekoye wo just numbers of hye season na ebe sha ase no enyam na ye confirmed dey but ye mo hu Jesus and as a Jesus numbers are possible say ye Abrante me nsan Abrante Garcia Abrante Aguero and Abrante Memphis Depay ebe share this season ye sha ase na ye sha ase e dey free Abrante Aguero so Abrante Aguero o Manchester City na o share Jesus number 10 o o kwa Argentina and as national team o share Jesus number 19 on the first 4 years of the trial and yes, we can wo Manchester City no first 4 years na na eda ani mu no na o hye 9 years na mu no na chi na o be fa 10 years na hye se se ntia ya na se Manchester City Abrante is wo move e ko Barcelona no Jesse a like say o be hye e wo Barcelona askache no Jesse number 9 and as Jesse number 16 we any Jesse awodo mi no asa Abrante Sergio Aguero e betim ahye e wo Barcelona akache sa na Abrante Eric Garcia on so no wo Manchester City aso ye no also Jesse na o hye e wo Manchester City aso ye no Jesse number 50 changes number 50. Say yan ntie say bibia ametiba ira ho mama. Sa this numbers ahodo me nsa me dey ba betu dwai. Emu ba ko ebe ye possible na say likely say Abrante Edgar say ebe hye Jesse no. Jesse be na make am wasemi. Jesse number 6, Jesse number 15 and Jesse number 16. We any three numbers say abetu dwa say Abrante Edgar Garcia ebe hye ama eye nurses na eba akokan. Na ya de chere Abrante Lyon player of friend Memphis Depay. Memphis Depay Abrante osinaka Edema Lyon of free Netherlands na say Dutch abroach mamu and as Netherlands na say Holland abroach mamu Abrante Jesse number na o share bra na o Lyon Jesse number 11. Na Jesse number 11 no aha enye possible na say enye like so be dey say Jesse ahye e wo Barcelona. The say Jesse numbers mienu a and also abe possible say Abrante Memphis Depay be ahye Jesse number 7 and Jesse number 22.
I think good direction because we hear Abrante friend Kun Aguero Jesse number 16 wa shebida Jesse number 9 wa shebida enti charges say na be pina for manya there ebe mama because wa Jesse number 9 da and no scientific strike and I think say Barcelona Jesse number 9 after Suarez free on enya there obi a share enti I think say a very good step enti Aguero share Jesse number 9 now Abrante Memphis Depay Jesse number 11 I think say a very
number 11 now share wo Lyon
enti for now Jesse number be share
number say obe like is obe share Jesse number 7 and Jesse number 20
because Jesse number 11 and now Abrante friend Ousmane Dembele Jesse number 11 tia de obinya but Jesse number 7 is a fine Jesse
now 22 no can was na Abrante also fat na share
na Jesse number 7 I think say na Antoine Griezmann
yeah Griezmann we say yan ntie say bibia meti ba ira ho bia na odnani ebe kire wasan nani actually wetima san nani actually Atletico Madrid go go
for so any guys and that means that definitely it me I possible say okay
it very possible say so the guys wetima ba Barcelona ama say Abrante Antonio Griezmann so san ede nani akọ ba bi ofi ba me da sambe wa me
Matthias enti a very good step in the right direction enti e basa I think say nyanwa enti Jesse numbers in there I think say far enough
Minia to fake me the mensama etwa to ebetu ya na me mama hwefo en matiefo ahun top and I say top 5 football stars that got married before age 25 Mantia wo go num bia wo si akan e wo amanone and I say English and I say English ball wo ko num me kire the top 5 European football na one nim fie agonu num me kire one 25 years na wonya won hokafo and I say won kanchima ya sha say de ye kire Abrante Gerard Piqué asoye Gerard Piqué Abrante bia ofiri Spain ball wo ko num Abrante yi osina kan de Barcelona football club no ye nua Gerard Piqué e ware ye no fia na ye wadi ewo ni aware ye mu no eye mfinhia na akoma ko adunu na me 24 years na Gerard Piqué ediye asna o ware Gerard Piqué ene ne yire mfoni na etwa go screen ani no na ba ne yire a ware ne no dia ojeso ene ababa wa Shakira ono so oye musician asa oto dwom eye abrante Gerard Piqué obehia na ne kanchima ye wo eye South Africa 2010 World Cup a course no na obehia ababa wa Shakira one ne kama bibia etoto ani a o ka won to asie na se obaye awarefo a na akopọ adon won ma bebre enti Gerard Piqué aware no nya ni 25 years na ni fie wadi 24 years abrante a otoso mienu abrante friend Thomas Müller efri Germany boboko Germany anase Germany kuruma kasa osina kan de ma Bayern Munich boboko no wasi akan de ma Borussia Dortmund da Thomas Müller kana asemi o ware ye no ne de na wadi fie 20 years abrante Thomas Müller ware ne wife anase ne yira ye fe ne Lisa Müller no na wadi fie 20 years ene ga na how de wali kire ha 20 years obi na 20 years na okware a be ka se opre ne ho akohe abrante Thomas Müller enyini ye no na anase o ware ye no na wanya mfinhia makoma adunu nan amate Thomas Müller osina kan ede ma Bayern Munich ware ye no na wanya mfinhia makoma adunu ni kete mfinhia adunu na toso miansa abrante a ye fra ne Paulo Dybala abrante Paulo Dybala ne yira o ware no ono so dia o je so Oriano Sabatini abrante Paulo Dybala yire Paulo Dybala ware ye no ono so na wanya mfinhia makoma adunu miansa me 23 years abrante Paulo Dybala osina kan edema Juventus boboko nu no sana ofiri Argentina boboko nu no ono so ware ye no onya de kan chema na asa ne yire ene asa ne hokani Oriano Sabatini ware ne no na wadi mfinhia makoma adunu miensa ne otoso nan Spain abrante a ye friend abrante Alvaro Morata ono so esina kan edema Juventus boboko nu a osan esina kan edema Spanish football club no anase Spain national team no abrante Alvaro Morata na hu se ne one ne wife ne ma ne wife bra onyema na ne ma no kisi ne yafunu so no na e won foto ni screen ani no abrante Morata no so ware ye no na wonya finisha 23 years Morata yera won ware ni se ndia oje so Alex Campbell na abrante Morata ware no abrante Morata kan se mo sina kan e ma Juventus Chelsea Real Madrid Atletico Madrid na Morata asi akan e dia ma won abrante otwato a ye kan asem na nyimi Liverpool abrante a ofri Bayern Munich ebe join won abrante Thiago Alcantara osan ebona ebobo edema Spain football Spain national team no ono so eware ne hokani a na wanya fishan makoma adunu nan 24 years na Spain abrante Thiago Alcantara na wadi enti wey 5 football stars that got married before age 24 yema wo hunu enanyi the weekend and I said the holiday edition of Oasis yedumadi so minia BBC
minia oheneba medase bebre emrante we deserve because we are the nipa unya kakra bedu butuma de aka ne aware o ware na o mantama anka the best na no nti fair enough o ware a woni wonyere mu transe no obia MSC omo agi MSC omo tobra nti
minia kwa minia tofe se o he abrante Thomas Müller o yan 20 asa no ware a dan hanka wo di 20 years abi ma wo di 20 years asa ko ra ran se bi se nsem ben pa na nke be ka fa
o he ne ba we are say first na so dey 2-3 minutes say dey wo tie nya sa na so obia e so what is adding 2-3 man you go far because so TVS na o pefufu no bia pefufu a eni kwan so hu se nipa no we ejimi for sebe ka frache o na na adwenya adwuma de o peno no enti don't expect obia be se de o tie na second issue we are na wo betie se ye be ka wa asem ntimi nya you never go far because Jesus Christ ba we are no o ye papa na ye ka oye bone na ye san kantru guru so enti so sha atare na familia o hene ba o kwa betre nsa wo so o sha na ye tan betre nsa wo so enti o ka so obidi de o pese dipa ye achi na wa ye dia you never go far in life
enti na mama ti kwam ndi no boy say your baby and
nipa beka we ase your baby and nipa beka enti say udru umfia wo say nipa wona ne betra na bia me ka say aware is not for obi a wani ba oye mature ena anya se umfia wanya so na che so ye mature but say dey be say o be live life ena che o maturity level awo obetime ye 70 but no nya mature ne niam o ye che so nya mature obetime ye 20 30 niam o ye che say nipa no e mature and so we are matured who say we are mature enough to control your family to lead your family as a man you can get married or anywhere.
So we mature enough now. Who's waiting? I control we are family now. Now, say, which one are amana ye? But the men said about you, and my mama have for and say, I can see about Kubi also and a Liverpool Bobu, any a Bobu friend, a Waka, a Innsbruck, Ebo, a vacancy, and my equity as 1 a Brantier, and I say, a Waka for and a Erika to a trading Brante, a Univaldo, and I share a Guarica, and a Brante, a default already. Oh,
anyway, you wait me Lana Palipu, did I can't see.
Oh, Lana Palipu, Edidia can see no more air for trade reformation. Goalkeeper, Loris Carlos, and a Dapu. Oh,
okay, I read him. I can't you. Garibe man, some final. Garibe, short your boy, Branty, Fanny, and near my cover. I tell you, Owen Beck, Ben Davis. Joel Matip and Alexander Trent Arnold. Oh, okay. Jeff for back no boy, you know. The comeback of Arnold, yes. All right. And fifth one of Branton and Abrante Jake Kane, Abrante A. Letton Clarkson, and Abrante A. Terrell Morton, and I return fifth at the man, which we will Branton of you know, some paying for no break a crazy. And anyone or Abrante BTC A. Takumi A. Minamino, yes, and our Abrante A. Divock Origi. And Abrante Kaidi Gordon and I will tell you more now. More anybody we players na over Europe. Marathon be after TA UCC Arsenal and on Rangers able to which I say ampa obi ACC no ho atwen season na be ba awie no. Okay, tenten so na ye kwa akopim Arsenal as video Atabi yate de Arsenal yeti mu yae de enche bia na Abrante no Tavares Abrante o Sporting yeku sign no enche bia so na Ben White de yete say awatu ya ena anyumre Arsenal was e betra sama yete ene say confirmly Arsenal any Abrante friend Madison James Madison awusina kan edema Leicester City akọ into personal agreement dia kan say Arsenal any Leicester City betra say na dia mentity say 50 million pounds sterling better table so Arsenal are ready so betfia now I cover Abrante Madison because Arsenal team no will soon number 10 home come Abrante friend Martin Origa ebebo loan ba Rema de so hiano Daniel Sibaros enso eko enti na Arsenal for I am so be chapeau me for it cover Abrante friend Albert Kinzowaga aba Abrante cover na ba na sanso na one Leicester Aid come say Abrante friend Madison Obenya no de abesha pen wo number 10 rule no etwa nsem no so de ana ene aya edu adan kremo for Abrante bi ekoko piem Abrante kotokoni Abrante friend Ismail Ganiu uhwe mfonyi ni so Ganiu ene na hokani abaya fefefe ejina wo atwa mfonyi na che say yes Ido Mubarak no ono so ekoko piem ekoko si aka Ismail Ganiu ekotoko central defender over the season we have very fantastic season Ganiu ebe piem ewo ene sumna wo ye mu enso kokosum nyame eche say ono so kramuni mapana se na wodi wonder wotimi trafi obekọ no akakosum nyame ententen so na yebekọ na ye de nsem kato akakosujwa team of the season Ghana ye team of the season aba betujwa mesem so hwe dwumadi na wo ha wo ho a me de me ha ye ba akopɛ Richard Atta Accra so for goalkeeper no we deserve so ba team we mu because your goalkeeper will be an obo modern channel. It doesn't matter say Accra so folk edge league. Number 2 position Victor Oduro of Elimina Shark in Ejina. Center midfielder Al-Hassan Accra so folk Al-Hassan Mohammed. Ene Ismail Ganiwa in for you two in the Ejina central defense. Number 3 position Radio Ovuka Accra so folk Abrante no born home doing a fantastic season. A midfield pair no me who say I do here forced to say as players no obi because you can't damp Fabio Gama, you can't damp Glasson Awaku and Asarif Ibrahim. I'm not telling you number 10 players but Omunina album. It's the midfield and Augustin Boache of Wafa, Abrante in a very fantastic season assist our way and say yes. Benjamin Efutu of Accra Suffolk and so Ejinam Sansona Sarif Ibrahim Di Maria and also Ewumbi. Yako 3 attackers obejeni mo atoniema ama team of the season na Fabio Gama ejina ho dia usie Tera Carrera abrante no Domani abrante no enso gina won sanso na Accra Great Olympics leader de won sahene Grassen Awaku enso ejina animu ho coach a obejina atetene ama team of the season coach Ano Walker of Accra Great Olympics nti so wo bibi ekafa we hu ana de abetuja me de makase Richard Atta deserve say obam team we mu ena de mo kakra number 2 position Accra so folk abrante o see akan this season ema mo no na ke so deserve say obam but when timi ambam dia na say oduru ababeje ni position ba me fully de me gina me na so akan say abrante friend Richard Atta no deserve say obam oyene ba team of the season Ghana Premier League abawie dia na beka fa me say me de Richard Atta no deserve say obam we kotoko rotation do but goalkeeper Razak Abarua ebo no modern dia na beka fa ansem we
minua me say team of the season na abale de na empire trans na wona wa sefata na wodi wundi abano me say amafo ene bo be ya adwe mi so ene wonya adwen wo he amafo bebe adwe me wo kesene ne coach a obegina touchline wono amawo sa team of the season coach Ano Walker Great Olympics coach no
Great Olympics abajuma
yes amafo bebe be ka say me this obi ti ba bi o be say o be chance adwen na dey ntia house folk actually na wo coach na touchline emma team of the season na Ano Walker ono and team Angeli na ono and I say team of the season ono
Mayu Samabodu na nya no starting campaign ma ka
na Samafo enya na ntie mu Samabodu a oye Accra House folk coach sisi ano he came as an yes no baby and kofa da say baby a has abobo na dumu coach always owo sabre no o meto na duma disu ko ne modern ma obo no so ani ane de na koye se bra Chelsea Football Club awo amano ne epam lampada
kofa
ne ba ye no enti be say coach Ano Walker so obo duma this season go we new aduma wo a de Great Olympics boy ya na osafaka say ojira touchline ho edema team of the season no na we team of the season na ha akotoko mrante mienu ne bam
Fabio Gama Ganiu
Abdul Ganiu free kotoko bam as I heard teams how do am pie team of the season na we House of Folk players na kuma ko ba mienu me sanna enum omoji league nti ana me oheneba makase Abrante amono question mark Richard Atta the goalkeeper of the side we the midfield pair Benjamin Efutu ene Mudasiru Ibrahim of Kumasi Asante Kotoko ena na kesu wujina but Mudasiru later part of the season after some kulusu as of game no one shara mo game no bim ena what Mudasiru was having it no Efutu was not having but at the end of the day Efutu was having Mudasiru suna uni enti sas mrante we no obi deserve enti me the one that kind of that say Efutu agi league abono homode enti o deserve so obam ya Salifu Ibrahim Abrante deserve so obam undoubtedly Di Maria Ebebo adwuma Radi Ovuka no doubt and the center pair no doubt enti mrante and 9 there obi deserve so obam team no ahead of Richard Atta Nkwa me wo no problem no na just say we kotoko mrante and say mrante mi no mu jema kotoko na mrante Fabio Gama so this is your boy adwuma yi
Fabio Gama we all know the pace the passes the contribution me nim the team am focus Fabio Gama doesn't deserve to be in this team because we passes ne ma na ne reflections ne edi Abrante fast the ball Ghana Premier League that he deserves to be in the team of the
season. Also but team because we oba ye celebrate na Ghana for fan ho say Abrante akotoko akofa na free Brazil e ba de no be your place how do am good e chain no oba so he has proven them wrong prove ne doubters no prove wrong say near Ghana for players no more bit my no he can do it and he can do it even better enti me anya no mo wasa Abrante Fabio Gama o si aka ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko no the won say Kumasi Asante Kotoko and demand league in this season here na mo Abrante more the more individual brilliant how do pass how do our team e ma players no assist how do our team produce any goals how do kakra on be share no we this ourselves at ourselves oba league oba team of the season na Abrante make na ho asem Abrante DRC Taylor
striker fantastic.
But this on we have go can chat now.
The golden boy no.
On na oje
golden boots no see na.
Abrante we dey na swatch. We dey na swatch yi pa because Abrante dey say tell there's not a single weekend that match because so won't ni din say on shegu and answer we provide assist e man team share. Ntime dey enya me nwa say oka mpanfo e dey obi for the share sa position we are
oh the beard Kwajo Obin Junior of House of Folk Eton but now untimi Abrata na ko betimi ha na Kwame Poku but was later part of the show film because as I saw film can no get 9 goals nti Kwame Poku mu na ha na ko betimi competing with
Abrata we are Ghana Premier League because we are Abrata ba ko betimi na so 18 goals in the single season no na o se fata say baby I na to we say fata say obeda ho na answer na no mean say as of Folk league ntino obeko Africa nti mesre say work on so ko homoden goalkeepers ahodo na players ahodo obeko no fo benya won be de beko no ko sam bodu e ko no ko won ani ase Ghana ina e de beko eti work on